For the experiment, we are going to need water-filled glasses, detergent solution, turmeric powder and lemon juice. Now we are going to add turmeric powder to the glasses and stir them well. Now let's add the lemon juice in the turmeric solution and see what happens. Now we will add the detergent solution in the turmeric water. When lemon water was added to the aqueous turmeric solution, no change of color was seen. And we know that turmeric doesn't show any change of color in an acidic solution. And this shows that lemon water is acidic in nature. When detergent solution was added to the aqueous turmeric solution, the color of the solution changed from yellow to dark red, and we know that the color of turmeric changes to red when it is brought in contact with any basic solution, and this shows that detergent is basic in nature.